Hey guys, I'm showing you guys my gold, my foiled, my silver washi, and these right here, or like these, and these over here, I got them from the Recollections. I think like a year, if not more, ago, and I use those for like special events. Like I used these silver ones when I was planning in my planner for our wedding, and then going back to the beginning, I use this one for a game. I don't know if you guys seen videos of like baby shower games, and I use that as the background for the balloon pop game, and then if you get the color you get a prize or whatever. That's what we did, and these are basically my favorite. Don't mind my sniffles, I have a bit of a flu. Well, not really like flu, I just have a sore throat and the sniffles. And these are basically my favorites. I only have a few of the black and gold, but since it has gold I just put it in the video. And you guys can hear my favorite music in the background. I don't have it too loud because the baby's sleeping. I have a 2-month-old. So yeah, and then I'm going to insert a clip of my fabric washi because I don't think I've shown those. If I have, sorry, but I'm going to insert it after this clip. And just another glance. Sorry if I'm a little shaky. It's hard to set up a tripod when the baby's crying a lot because he got his shots recently. So he's been very wanting to be hugged and cuddled all the time. Hey guys, before I show you my fabric washi, I wanted to show you guys how I store my favorite washi, which is the ones I just showed you. I made this box that I don't know if you guys watch Paloma Bates. Her YouTube channel is Coupon to Provide. I'm pretty sure you guys follow, but she teaches you how to make this. It's basically just a box that you make out of cardboard, cover it in duct tape. I use a poster board from Dollar Tree, the foam one, and then for this gold frame is actually a frame from Dollar Tree. I just took the glass out and the backing, and I just used the frame. But in the process of making this, I never actually like glued this part down to the box. I just had it like on my table where I used to film my videos, and I tipped it over and it broke from right here. So let me zoom in. I hot glued it right there because that part broke off. And that's when I was like, okay, I have to glue it all down. So I glued it all to the box. So now it's one cohesive piece. And if you think my sniffling is gross, I'm sorry. And comment below and I'll just do like put music behind these videos. And I'll put a longer description. And if you saw my last video, I accidentally uploaded to my husband's personal YouTube, because I have like my own personal YouTube on my phone where I don't upload like videos there. I just reply to your comments, and I watch my videos on my phone or in the TV or in the living room TV. And my YouTube that I used to upload, I don't really go on it because I have it on the laptop. I only watch videos there when my husband's playing his video games on our TV in our bedroom and I want to watch YouTube. Then that's when I'll watch YouTube on that channel, or I'll just go on my phone, which is most likely what I do. But I accidentally uploaded the video with like the long ASS video. I mean, not video, description. My brain, I'm still trying to get over this flu or whatever. But I put like this long description describing everything, where I got the washi and all that. and I uploaded it to his personal YouTube, and I got so mad that when I re-uploaded it to mine, I just put a short description and just a few tags when the other one was so long and it had a bunch of tags on it. I'll probably go back and fix that later, but that made me so mad. Okay, now since you guys are probably tired of me babbling and probably not making a lot of sense, the next clip will be the box where I store my fabric washi and my husband's pens. Okay guys, so this is the box where I have my fabric washi, and I just wanted to show you guys. I got this super cute sticker book from Michael's for $2. I know I should have used a coupon on it, right? But I think I used it on another item. But I got that one. I just really wanted it because of the flower pattern, and I figured that when I finish the book, or even before, I'd like to take this cover off because it's really nice, and use it like in my planner or elsewhere to decorate. And the back too, if I can take this sticker off. But anyway, this is my box, and I know this isn't like my workbench. You're gonna see all the paint stains, washi stick to it, and this yellow is and all those pink and blue is from when my sister had this bench in her room, and she loves making slime, and she uses like a lot of food coloring, so she stained this. And then you see like footprints right here in gray for when we painted our bedroom. We painted it like a blue gray, but right here it just looks gray. And when I finish organizing it, because right now it's a big mess, I'm decluttering, just like Case for Karen is. If you guys watch her Road to Decluttering, I love her videos. She has like the best personality ever, and she actually responds to people when they comment and when you like message her on Instagram. I just love her. I feel like I know her even though like we never met in person. But anyway, I started decluttering when I got pregnant and I started nesting. The struggle is real right here. Fast forward to me actually opening this, and it's gonna be fast forward like 100 times because yeah, it's really hard to open it because the fabric washi are so thick. And it's not even focused. Okay, sorry about that. The struggle is real, really real. And here are my fabric washi. As you can see, a lot of floral. I love floral patterns, especially that black one right here. And then I think these three right here are my favorite floral, and this one's definitely my favorite polka dots. You know, Rosie the Riveter, love that. And you know, since I'm a welder, you gotta represent. Just kidding. But yeah, I love that aesthetic of Rosie the Riveter, all the 1940s and stuff, music, cars, old school stuff. And to be honest, I had these for so long that I don't even remember where I got them from. I know some are from Daiso, like these, I'm pretty sure they're from Daiso. This one too, like all the bigger rolls, I'm pretty sure they're from Daiso. This one's right here, I think they're from the Target Dollar Spot, probably these three. And the rest, I have no idea. I'm sorry, I'm so shaky because when I point, I only have one hand and this camera is pretty heavy. You hear my baby talking to himself. So yeah, and then if you guys want to see the bottom of the drawer. Oh, so yeah, this drawer, I got it from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't know if it was $3 or $5. But I decorated it with washi and stickers from Dollar Tree. I love these pandas. They're so cute. Ooh. I think that one's my favorite because look at how it's doing the eyes. Ooh. Or maybe this one because it's sitting down with its hand out. Okay, so this is where my husband keeps his ink for his fountain pen. There's a, I don't know if the pen. Oh, here's the fountain pen. Sorry. Yeah, here's the fountain pen, and then the ink, and then I have all my lead for my lead pencils that I used to draw. My baby's pooping. And then some sticky notes, the ones that he likes for him to use. So yeah, sorry for this very chatty, mostly chatty, not really talking about the Washi video. And again, if me being sick kind of grosses you out, put in the comments below and I'll just make a video showing you guys stuff, and I'll leave a big description, and I'll just put music in the background so you don't have to hear me sniffle. Okay, bye.